Today I'm going to show you how to make the dal tadka. Everybody keep asking me how your dal tadka is. What's the secret? I think there is no secret. It's just a simple ingredient I'm going to tell you what I'm using in my dal. So first thing, we need 4 different kind of lentils. So as you can see, we have some Chana dal, Moong dal, Massor dal, and we have Toor dal. So 4 kind of lentils I'm using it. And Chana dal, if you cannot digest more, you can reduce the quantity and the equal quantity of these lentils. And you can wash it like 3 times, then boil it. Just boil it with a little bit of salt, or you don't have to add anything you want it. If you want to add something, that's fine. And it's like just onion, tomato, and I have some chopped garlic, chopped cilantro, and some cumin seed, red chili, turmeric, and some hing powder. That's it. Yeah. Then we're gonna add some cumin and chili. When they are turning, we're gonna add some chopped garlic. Then we're gonna add some chopped onion. Then let it get a little bit golden brown color. Then we're gonna add some chopped tomato. Add a little bit salt. We're gonna add some hing powder here. Okay, after just for a minute, we're gonna add some red chili powder, some turmeric, and we are going to add some boiled lentil in here. Add some water here.